Hi there, for those that don't know me, my name is Peter Moss and I've been associated with the uke now for about 50 years or so. I know, it's scary. Every month or so what I like to do is an upload to YouTube and share it through social media and basically just share the love of the ukulele. What my sort of angle of it is to take a straightforward piece, such as the one we're going to do today, which is You Are My Sunshine, and try and embellish the chords a little bit, put some fills in and some turnarounds, and also look at what the right hand's doing. So before we do, let's get right into it and play the tune. I'm going to play it in the key of G. So here you go. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. All right, so let's get right into it. Let's have a look at the right hand. One of the things that a lot of uke groups do is they play what's called a straight 4. So it would sound like, which is keeping time, but it's not very exciting, is it? So what I'm going to try and share with you today is another way of playing that same rhythm, but putting some embellishments with it. Now, the first rhythm that we're going to do with our right hand is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And that fits 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's down, 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 up, down. Let me count 4 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down. What's it sound like on the uke? Just on the chord of G for now. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down. So I'm just going to play this time and not speak. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Now, there's also something else you can do as an alternative to that, and that is, instead of going down, 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 up, down, we can go down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. So those two together sound like this. 1, 2, 3, go. Do you want to join me? 4 in. 1, 2, 3, go. Brilliant. So what I'm going to do now is not sing, I'm just going to play the chords through the piece and you can see how much nicer it sounds than just going straight 4s. So using the chords of You Are My Sunshine in G, here we go. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you hear what I did on the end there? How did I do it? I'll show you. So we took the chord of G, okay, and then I went to C, and then straight away to C minor, which is a mini bar on the 3rd fret, just covering the strings 1, 2, and 3, leaving the G string open. So once again, we got 2 beats on the G, 1 on the C, 1 on the C minor, and back to G. Okay, do you want to do that with me? If I count 4 in. 1, 2, 3, go. Should we do a bit slower? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that comes in. Please don't take my sunshine away. How nice is that? Rather than just going, take my sunshine away. The other night. It's much better to go. Right, so that's basically a turnaround to take us back to another verse or chorus. I'm now going to show you something which is called a fill. And a fill basically will take us from one chord to another with a sort of passing chord, okay? And I'm going to play it first for you so you can hear it, and then I'll slow it right down. If I went from the beginning, you are my... Did you hear that? So we went 2 on G. Then I'm going to slide my ring finger down. So I'm basically, all 3 fingers are stacked on top of one another. A bit of a knot. And then it goes down to G7 for 4. And where does it come in? It comes in on the second sunshine. So you are my sunshine, my only there. That sunshine. So you are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Okay, I said sunshine quick there, but just so you could hear what I was doing. Let me do it without singing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You are my... Yeah, and if you carry on, you make me happy when skies are... Now we can use it again on the word grey. So exactly the same thing. Grey. You never... So between grey and you never, we got... So let's do it from the beginning then. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. This time I'm going to play the same thing, and I'm not going to sing. I'll just start off so you know where we are, but just have a listen to the uke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You are my... I've been playing these chord transitions for many years, so you know, I've had a lot of practice, but maybe you just need to spend a bit of time just doing those, and also makes such a difference. And remember what we did with the right hand, how we're not playing the straights anymore. We're going down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Now there's no strict pattern, as you must play one type, then another type, then another type. You know, you've got to just keep changing it round just to make it a little bit of fun. So I'm going to take a quick break there. When I come back, I'm going to tell you about something that's a little bit more involved with tuition. So let me give you an example of what typically you would find on the Ukulele Shortcuts site. I go a lot deeper. I use two cameras. There's one on my ugly mush here, one close up on the ukulele, and there's also chord diagrams and which string we're picking, etc, etc. So all that is on Ukulele Shortcuts. The sort of standard which I do there would sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So obviously it's a little bit too involved without having it written down. By the way, I also provide worksheets if you subscribe to What Happens on Patreon. As I say, there'll be a link down below so you can check that out. Now, every month or so, I'm going to upload one of these to YouTube, share on Facebook and Twitter. If you like what you see, then to subscribe to YouTube, you don't actually pay anything. It's completely free of charge. But if you want to be notified of the next one that's in the series, then you need to do a couple of things. The first one is to press like, please. Then that word subscribe. Then a little bell notification comes up. If you say yes to that, you will get kept abreast of all the latest uploads which I do. Now, in this case on YouTube, the word subscribe means you don't pay. It's completely free of charge, even though the word subscribe can have sort of two meanings. Now, if you've enjoyed this, fantastic, and I hope to see you on the next one. Until then, you all take care, stay safe, and see you on the next one. Take care. Cheers for now. Ta-da!